Welcome back to Mastering Jetpack Compose. In episode 6, we will explore modifiers, the most important tool for styling and arranging your UI in Compose. Modifiers controls padding, size, background, shape, alignment and interaction. Let's see them in action. Modifiers allow us to decorate or adjust a composable. They can add padding, set size, handle click behavior, change alignment, or apply backgrounds and shapes. Think of modifier as building blocks for styling your UI. Padding creates space around a composable, while size defines its width and height. They are the first modifiers you will use in almost every UI. Background and shape let you create beautiful, card-like elements, rounded corners and colorful UI blocks. These modifiers make your interface feel polished and modern. To position elements, we use alignment and arrangement modifiers. They help us center items, place them at the top, bottom, left or right and create professional layout controls. Finally, Clickable lets any composable respond to user interaction. You can turn rows, boxes or cards into touchable UI elements. Let's start by adding padding, size and background to a simple box. To add rounded corners, we use clip with a shape. Alignment controls where our content sits. We can make any composable clickable by adding the clickable modifiers. In this episode, we learn how modifiers help you style and control layouts in Compose. In the next episode, we will explore Material 3 components to make your app look professional with minimal effort.